over at well, we're going to talk about U.S. Army. Incredible amount of work that you have done over there at the U.S. Army. Give us a state of the status to sort of where you left that as you departed and now on your way over to U.S. courts.
I mean, the Office of Enterprise Management, or formerly Office of Business Transformation, has taken a number of initiatives to kind of drive artificial intelligence adoption and use across the enterprise level of the U.S. Army. Some of the initiatives, of course, that we worked on smaller projects like preventative. Well, I shouldn't say smaller projects because it was quite a large one.
Nothing small in the U.S. Army, right?
That's true, but one of them would be, for me, a smaller project, would be like a preventative maintenance where we would look at a vehicle, make a time series model to actually provide maintenance across when it would actually, that particular vehicle would break down and allow a mechanic on the ground to basically make repairs to keep that vehicle up and running. One of the biggest initiatives that Mr. Bakari Dale, the senior leader over at Office of OEM, is actually heading is the Deep Green Initiative, AI Data Science Challenge. The Deep Green is a very powerful tool for the U.S. Army in the sense that not only does it do a challenge, so basically someone in the U.S. Army comes in with a very difficult challenge that they're using data science, machine learning, AI, even deep learning, that they can't necessarily solve it. Either they don't have the technical expertise, they don't have the manpower, or they just don't understand how to actually solve that problem because it goes beyond their capability. OEM comes in with Deep Green, allows them to not only get a production-ready model ready for deployment, it also allows for a state-of-the-art solution, which either matches or beats industry and academia as well. We've run 3 of those now in the past. One was for preventive maintenance, one was for unliquidated obligations, and the current one this year was for computer vision, where it was looking at building out a visual system for understanding the environment for autonomous vehicle robots. These types of challenges weren't really possible with the incoming department's capabilities. So Deep Green was allowed to answer that issue and produce something that they can actually use in production, as well as being able to expand that model's parameters and be applied to multiple different other problems as well. Another benefit of the Deep Green Initiative is that we're also, not only producing a production-ready model, but we're training people in the U.S. Army, bringing in people from academia, bringing in people from other departments like the Air Force, Navy, Coast Guard, training them on AI, these best practices, best state-of-the-art models, how to actually code, how to use some of these third-party products that are geared towards making a no-code solution for AI, to allow AI, learning artificial intelligence, to kind of spread across not only just the Army, but across the federal government, people who want to participate into it, and also allow academia to come in and we can then share thoughts and processes between each other, allowing for a more cohesive unit, better practices to be formed, and allow the Army to maintain at a higher standard compared to other industries and federal governments as well.